Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Trapo EyeSight Dash Cam. Now this is a 2K dual dash cam, so you're getting 1440p quality out of the front dash cam and then 1080p quality out of the rear dash cam. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this. We'll see what all comes in the kit, and then we'll install it into my vehicle and drive around so you can get real video testing of how this 2K dash cam looks from Amazon. Let's get into it. Okay, so the Trapo EyeSight Dash Cam. Very excited for this one here, guys. Here we have the main unit, which you can see right here. Let's get a nice satisfying peel. And I immediately like that all your buttons are labeled here, so it's very easy to work with. This is going to mount onto your car like that. And then this is going to be able to tilt so you can actually aim it how you want. But other than that, it does not come with an SD card, so keep that in mind unless we find it in the box here in a second. Let's go ahead and remove our lens cover here. And pretty small form factor, power button right here. Let's keep going here. And inside of here, we have our rear dash cam, as you can see right there. Nice to see. And then we have our cable. So this is going to run from the main dash cam to the rear dash cam. And then we have our cigarette lighter so that we can actually power our main dash cam. That's how it gets its power. And then it comes with a pry bar and a couple little clips to run your wire through your car. And then with that, we just have a nice little instruction manual here. So let's go ahead and get an SD card installed into here, and then we'll test the front camera. I generally don't test the rear cameras because they look all about the same. They're all 1080p, but I'm excited to see how this 2K cam looks. So let's get into it. So super easy install to the windshield. I've got it done here. Right off the bat, it's asking us to format the SD card. I did place a new one in there, so it's as simple as just hitting the OK button, and then it's gonna format, hit OK again. And then we'll do time zone set for the time. And we'll just do this one right here. You want to select your time zone. Video mode. All right, and then there you can see, if I can get it to focus, it is already recording. So just like that, it's that simple to actually get it up and recording. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to actually push this up a little bit to angle the camera so that we are not getting so much of our hood. And that looks good. So let's start driving. Okay, so let's do an audio test with this camera. I'm just driving around and you can hear what it typically sounds like for the audio inside of the cabin. The video quality, at least on the little screen, appears to be pretty good. Now this is a pretty good day to record. It's not overly sunny. It is definitely sunny, but it's not like a middle of June blazing sun day. So with this being a 2K camera, you're not getting that 4K quality, but it's also a very good budget option. So you cannot rule that out. And it's very easy to adjust the lens, which you don't get from a lot of cameras.
Assisted driving calibration starts.
So as you guys can see, the quality is pretty good for it only being 1440p. Now it also does come with an additional hardware kit, and this is going to allow you to keep your dash cam running when the engine is off to let you get that kind of 24-hour monitoring, which I know for some people who park like in parking garages and stuff is very, very important. So definitely check it out, guys, and I will have links for it down below.